Yes, welcome back, guys, on India's largest e-learning platform, that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. So, guys, we are here in this most awaited session because, as you know, the GATE 2022 results are out. And when the results were out, from that time only, the students were asking about, sir, what we shall do if we have that kind of rank, that marks are there, where we shall apply. So, guys, definitely, majority of you would be thinking about the what next, what we need to do next, whether we shall apply for IITs, IISc, or PSU, and what would be the best option as per my rank. Because, guys, now whatever the result have come, you cannot change that. You just need to choose the best option out of all. Okay, so guys, I am also having Chandra sir with me. So guys, just like and share the session so that other student can also join this. So Chandra sir, what you would like to say about this
Hello
session?
everyone, welcome to the beautiful session for mechanical engineers. I hope everyone had enjoyed the festival of colors, and now it is time to have the serious discussion, important discussion regarding your career. Some of the students might have performed very well in the GATE 2022 examination, and some of you might not have performed that well in the examination. So the common questions in each and every student having is what are the various career opportunities after GATE examination? If I am getting this much score, what will be the available option for me? And what is the procedure to apply for that particular, whether I should go for MTech, whether I should go for PSU. In MTech also, what all specialization I need to select. So all your queries we will answer in this session. So guys, stay connected and share this information to everyone so that those who are preparing for the upcoming examination also come to know beforehand whether if they are appearing for GATE examination, what are the various options they will be having and how to select the right option which will be best suited for you. So over to you, sir.
Ganesh, hi. Asif, hello. And Lakshmana, hi. Ishan, hello. So, guys, Naveen is asking some question. Kiran is asking again. Yes, Abhishek. Yash. So, guys, you all are sharing your GATE scores as well as your rank. So, dear, you just need to wait for next 10-15 minutes, because first of all, we would be telling you the various option. Then we are having a slide where I would be telling you that at what GATE score what you can get, and at what is your rank. According to that, what are the various options you would be having. So we are going to have that. So guys, first of all, definitely, as you know, today is the festival also, so you might be thinking that today also faculties are coming to guide us. So guys, yes, because this is the requirement, because as the result came before that, so I feel you have enjoyed the festival already in the morning time. So once again, happy Holi to all of you. And now we are starting the session. So guys, first of all, before starting the session, I would like to tell you one thing, that now whatever the result have come, you need to accept that first of all, whether it is you are satisfied with that or not, but you have to accept it. So if you are having the result which are satisfactory and you feel you are getting whatever you have aimed for before starting your preparation, so then it's fine, you would be getting that. And if you are feeling no, some problems are been there, then you need to think over that whether you are ready to give one more year for the preparation, or if your preparations are already good, just because of that one day exam was hard, you were unable to do good, then there are many other options are coming in the line, like HAL is there, BARC is there. Yes, but guys, if you are not performing well and you are thinking that your preparations are not that much level that you could qualify these kind of exam, then you need to give time. So if you are ready for that, it's fine. If you are not, then for those students who want to know the best option in their rank, what they can go for, so this session is going to help you for all those type of students. Even if you are scoring well, then you would be getting the best options. If you are scoring bad, then also you would be getting the best option. So it is for all the students. Okay, so yes, flexi also we would be giving you, dear, don't worry, Vinod. So we are starting.
Sir, I want to add one more point. BYJU'S will be there throughout your journey. If you are not happy with your performance, so do not disappoint yourself or do not get disappointed, because BYJU'S exam prep, we are here with you to improve your weak areas So have belief on us, have trust on your preparation level. Definitely you have done your preparation, but some things might not work the way you wanted them to work. So we are here, we are with you throughout your journey of preparation. So keep motivated, stay motivated, be positive. And there are options also, sir. Even if the ranks are not good, if students are having the knowledge about the various career opportunities, then there are options for those students also who have not performed that well in this examination. So that is why this session is there, to make you understand the various career opportunities which you can get even if your score is not that great. Yes, sir, over to you.
Yes, so many students are writing their ranks also. Yes, Ishan, Sagnik was there, I feel, yesterday in one interview also with us. Yes. So yes, Ishan, your score is very good. You are definitely going to get into. Just wait for 5 more minutes. We are just coming on to that only. So guys, I'm starting the session now. Okay, so let us start the session. Okay, so guys, this is some detail about the faculties you are having in front of you. So first of all, about Chandra sir, as you know, so Chandra sir is having 9+ years of experience in the teaching. He's BTech from IIT Delhi. These are the various exams he have already cracked, and that much number of students he have mentored. And these are the areas of interest for the Chandra sir. Chandra sir is teaching all these topics to you on YouTube as well as in the courses. So now I would be telling something about me. So as you know, I'm having around 10+ years of experience, and my dear, I have also done written many research and review papers, and these are areas of interest of mine. So guys, every day we are coming with sessions as well as these courses I am teaching you also in the classes as well. Yes, so guys, for all of the student who, whatever the rank you are getting, this session is going to help you. Just wait. It is not a very big session. We would be giving you everything within 20-25 minutes. Okay, so guys, now as you know that BYJU'S exam prep is a complete solution, one-stop solution for all GATE and IISc aspirants. So for audience who are going for English, for them this channel is there, and for Hindi audience also another channel is there. So according to that, sessions are going on both the channels. So guys, now we would be starting. So first of all, I would like to announce some things to you, that what are the various possible things you are preparing for helping you. We are running some of the sessions, like, you know, for GATE 2023 aspirant, for GATE 2023 aspirant, for mechanical branch, for civil branch, for computer science and EE and EC. Already sessions are going on the YouTube channel. So the timing for mechanical, civil and CSC is 8 PM, and for ECEE it is 10:30 PM. So these are the various days on which the classes would be there. So be ready for that. Okay, so we are starting the session.
Sir, for mechanical, thermodynamics is currently going on, and do join me tomorrow at 8 PM for the entropy session. So we are having the thermodynamic sessions, and then after that the next subject.
Yes, sir. Actually, thermodynamics is going on right now, and after that, strength of material would be coming. I would be there for strength of material and engineering mechanics. Right. Okay, so yes. So guys, now first of all, we will discuss about what are the various opportunities you can go for. Okay. Okay. Thanks, dear. Thanks for that. So let us start now the session. Thanks, Abhishek. So guys, now as I already told you, what are the various options we will see first of all. So now as GATE exam is over, result you are already having. So what are the various options you can go for? So guys, the very first thing for which generally students give the GATE exam is PSUs and government jobs. So this is the very first thing for which generally students are going for. And as this is the very first thing for which GATE, the students are going to give GATE, definitely for this, you need higher GATE score, very good ranks. And general idea, if I would be giving you under 500 ranks, you are somehow secure for this kind of things, PSU and government job. Under 500, I said you would definitely be getting call. Sure selection, you would be getting under 100, 200 rank for sure. Other than that, you would be having dependency on the interviews. The second thing, my dear, for which we are going, the students are generally going, that is nothing but, my dear, they are higher studies in foreign universities and higher studies in Indian universities. Like you can see all IITs, IISc, NITs, all good government engineering colleges, like, you know, DU is there, DTU is there, Punjab Engineering College, that is now PET is there. So whatever these big names you are having, they all are taking the students on the basis of GATE scorecard. And also, my dear, there are some research oriented jobs as well as and also there are some management courses, like the example is NIT Mumbai. So my dear, all these are the things which are generally dream of the student who are preparing for GATE. And my dear, at which score you are getting which kind of thing, that also we are going to discuss soon. So these are the various things for which the students are going to give this exam. And one more thing is research courses. So guys, as I said, all these are the things for which generally you have given the GATE. And the preference wise, when I'm talking about, the first preference is generally going to PSU and government job. Second preference is generally going to the NIT Mumbai. I would like to say the student who are going for MBA, because very high packages are there at NIT Mumbai. The third, I would be going for the higher studies in IITs, okay, NITs and all. This is the third preference generally. And this is for some of the students, I would say they want to go for some Singapore University and all. For them also, this is going to be a very good option. But for that, you need to go for a complete procedure. GATE is one of the requirement. So guys, these are all the things. Yes, Chandra sir, if you want to add something into that, otherwise we would be going for the sequence of IITs to be filled and NITs to be filled.
Definitely, sir. Yes, Abhishek Sahu was saying, sir, you told under 251. Let me tell the students very honestly that nobody can predict the exact cutoff for any of the career option, because there are so many dynamic parameters we need to consider, and based on the previous record, we can just give a rough idea. So that is how it works. Moreover, the mechanical engineering students generally prefer going into PSUs. Sir, am I correct?
Yes.
Mechanical students, because they do not prefer to go into MTech, rather than they prefer to go into PSU, because after MTech also they are going into the PSUs and doing the mechanical engineering.
There are many students who are also going to prepare during the MTech also. Yes, definitely. So Abhishek, as I already said, the chances are also up to 500. I already told you once, my cousin was having 575 and he got selected into IUCL. But yes, at the very last, he have already taken the admission into NIT Mumbai. His semester was about to over, and then suddenly he got selected. He was in the waiting list actually. So dear, exactly as I said, up to 200, 250 is surety is there, because at the number of seats as per that I am telling you. And after that, the chances would be depending on how your interview was. So that was my point actually. And Amit, yes, definitely you would get the call, and just wait, I would be telling you many other opportunities also. So guys, now I am telling you the sequence of IISc, and don't worry, in your comment section, Chandra sir and me would continue to answer your questions also. Dear Rahul, you would definitely be having the chances for IITs, definitely. Okay. So let us see now the sequence of IITs to be filled. So guys, when we are talking about the sequence, obviously the number one priority goes to IISc Bangalore, and it is also famous for research work. If you really want to go for research, and if you want to go to foreign for PhD also, you would be getting many options there in IISc, because it is famous for research. And definitely many students, if I would be telling you at our time when we were giving the GATE during our BTech final year, I would like to tell you when I was in my third year, at that time, one of my senior, he wanted to go into IISc Bangalore, and at that time top 50 rank generally got direct admission into IISc Bangalore. So they were targeting for that. Rest have to give one test also. So at that time there were procedure are generally sometimes changing also. So guys, at that time, not much PSUs were related to GATE, was associated to GATE. So many people were targeting IISc Bangalore also. So guys, now also it is a very preferred choice, but because of PSUs, definitely now more students are trying for the PSUs, because they are getting direct job for that. But for research work, if you are interested, like for GATE was started for MTech only in the starting. Okay. So according to that, yes, IISc Bangalore is going to be the first priority. Now, when we are talking about the old IITs, then you would be having IIT Bombay. And I would be also telling you the top courses of IITs also, means what are the preferences of choice, that whether you shall go for thermal first, design first, or manufacturing first. So guys, then IIT Bombay, after that IIT Delhi, then IIT Madras, then IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Roorkee, IIT Guwahati. So this is about the old IITs. I also have a list for good NITs as well. So dear, in 492, you would get NIT. Okay. Ramesh Mohan, your friend dropped. Okay. IIT Kanpur, he was in second year and joined. Yes, yes, yes. The same thing I was saying. Many students are preparing during their MTech and they are also getting the decent IITs and all. So yes, Chandra sir, if you want to say something on this, these are
Yes,
the
sir.
top IITs we have just put it in the slide. And this is based on obviously how the students are getting placements. Also
Yes.
the rank, like top rankers preference is also there. So these are the factor which we have taken into consideration.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That was the point I was about to add. This ranking is based on so many parameters: the placement scenario, the infrastructure, the ranking of the institute, national level or at the international level, and the various specializations these institutes are providing, and the opportunities or the market requirement for those specialization. So IISc Bangalore are also providing 3 courses. One is another is MTech research, and the third one is PhD dual degree. So even if you are getting around up to 250 rank, 250, 300, then still you are having a possibility of getting into IISc Bangalore.
Sir, actually, I would like to say actually that's what I was saying, that at our time there was a craze about IISc. That
Right.
top 50 was the top 50 was getting the direct input into that, and so because of that reason, as at that time more PSUs were not associated with the GATE. So because of that, at that time it was a craze because GATE was meaning for MTech only at that time. Nowadays many PSUs are there. So now the choice first is going for the first of all, student want to go to PSU. Then definitely when we are talking to MTechs, obviously this is going to be the first priority for every student, and this is a dream college for sure. And as sir have said, there are 3 courses. Yes, there are choices and chances up to 250. Even we will go for your score wise cutoff also. In the other slides we would be telling you up to which GATE score, that where you shall apply. Okay. Civil obviously 592. Dear, yes, chances are there you shall apply. Many things would depend on your interview also. And when we are talking about Naveen is saying 1525 and score 661. Dear, definitely you can try for new IITs if you want a good branch. So in IISc there are many other branches, like one branch is their cloud technology. So if you are very poor, I know one student was having around 10,000 rank. He went for that branch. His interview was good. Actually, he was interested into that. So he have written one research paper also onto that. So dear, if you don't have any priority of a branch, then definitely chances are there that you can go to top college, but not with a very brilliant branch. Brilliant in terms of like related to your BTech, what you have done. So about that, I was saying also. Yes, Chandra sir, would you like to add something?
Parvinder is also there. He had scored all India ranked 3rd. So
yes,
hi,
yes.
Parvinder, congratulations once again.
Yes, Parvinder. So Parvinder is actually yesterday he was there with us also. So many of you have seen his strategy also. So guys, after that, this is the list. IIT Hyderabad from the new IITs. Then once again IIT BHU, IIT Dhanbad, then IIT Indore, then Bhubaneswar, then Gandhinagar, then Jodhpur, and then Patna. So guys, other than that, there are many in the list, maybe like IIT Mandi and all. So I have written those IITs for which already we have some placement records, because some IITs have just started their courses. So for them, we have not added the name in the list. So I would be saying 17, the rest of the IITs. Okay. So you can say, so this is a sequence, what you shall prefer. But I would like to say after this number, there is not much difference in terms of placements and all. But yes, this is a sequence as per the student have filled the choices, they are getting the placements, all these points we have considered. Yes, thanks Parvinder. Apply कैसे करना पड़ता है? Okay, कैसे पता लगेगा? Best cake design. Dear, as if you are already subscribed to our channel BYJU'S Exam Prep, then you would be knowing, because when some IIT would be giving that notification will be coming, then our faculties, like sometime me, sometime Chandra sir, Rakesh sir, so all of us are always just ready for that. Whenever we get any notification for you guys, we are coming and prepare a short for that. So you just subscribe this channel, you would be getting the information on the same time, whether it is day or night. Once the notification will come, you will get a shot. Like you see, when result came at the night, we were there, and throughout we were always present to help you in any way. So don't worry about that. Rhythm, good evening. Rohan, don't worry, I'm talking about that. Yes. Yes, Chandra sir, would you like to add something?
There are two options to trust on. One is our BYJU'S exam prep, and the other one is the official website. You should keep on watching their notification official website. We also keep on watching that, and we will bring you the detail here on the platform. So at the same time,
but sir,
you should also keep on having a look.
Boring. That would be boring. Every time go for the website. Rather than that, just switch on BYJU'S exam prep. You will get the notification.
Right.
Yes. So let us move further. Yes, sir.
The IITs are also divided into two parts: the older IITs and the newer ones. So generally, students prefer to be part of the older IITs because they are having well-established infrastructure. They are having well recognition. The newer IITs, the students prefer lesser. So that is how the ranking is. That is how the sequence of IITs we have brought for you. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Actually, Abhishek is saying one interesting fact that Dheeraj sir, I saw many recorded lectures in BEP. You were repeatedly asking Parvinder to answer the question. Yes, because I was somewhere knowing that Parvinder is going to be our anchor this time. Okay, because every time he was answering it correctly, and I don't remember any session which was there without Parvinder. So
in my class also, couple of students keep on asking me, sir, you are having a special affection towards Parvinder. You keep on asking Parvinder, how are you, Parvinder? What is the answer? People started got jealous of Parvinder that time.
Actually, sir, I was knowing that he is going to be ranker this time. Okay, so guys, now we are talking about the NITs. Guys, the students who are unable to get into IITs, for them, there are some NITs also there, and I would also like to tell you that there are some old NITs which are ranked better than the top or better than new IITs. So many students are going to prefer the old NITs over the new IITs. So guys, the reason behind that is obviously the placements record, and also the courses, because they are already running from very big time from the past. So that is one of the reason. So guys, yes, Abhishek, I remember Akash Kushwaha. I tried to contact him, but I feel he was not reachable. Otherwise, he would be also giving you his rank, whatever he got. Okay, so actually, let us see now the sequence of NIT. The first is NIT Trichy. This ranking is also based on, there are various, you can say, organizations who are going to give the ranking also based on some of the criterias. So those criteria also we have considered. So NIT Trichy is at the top, then NIT Warangal. I would like to say, if you are BTech from automobile, and if you want to do the MTech from the similar specialization, then my dear, NIT Warangal provides you that. That NIT Warangal provides you MTech from automobiles also. So very less number of colleges who are going to provide the MTech in automobile. So if you have done BTech, you have an opportunity to go for. And also in product development, they are giving, that is also a very good MTech program. Then NIT Surathkal. Previously, if I tell you last year, then my dear, these four NITs, NIT Trichy, Warangal, Surathkal and Calicut, these four have already remained in top four from a number of years. All four are from the South India basically, and these four were having a very good record, so they were at top four always. Sometime Calicut was at number 2, Warangal at number 1. Likewise, the things were going on. But now NIT Rourkela came before NIT Calicut as per the rankings. Then NIT Allahabad is also a good one. NIT Kurukshetra previously was ranked after 10, but nowadays because of the newer records, it has also been raised in the ranking. Then NIT Surat have also done a wonderful record of placements and all. So because of that, the ranking have been improved. Okay, so at my time, I remember at 6 NIT Bhopal was there, at 5 NIT Allahabad was there. So some ranking have been reshuffled because of the recent placement records and all. Yes. So Abhishek, I was saying these four: Trichy, Warangal, Surathkal and Calicut. I feel you missed my point. I was not talking about Rourkela. That's what I said. Because of reshuffling, now NIT Rourkela is coming in top 5, and NIT Surat Kurukshetra were not there before in top 8. Nowadays, because of their good performance, they are being there. Before that, I will be telling you, at our time when we were doing at that time NIT Trichy, Warangal, then Calicut, Surat Khal. After that, there was NIT Allahabad, then NIT Bhopal. Kurukshetra was also their 9th and 10th rank. But nowadays, some reshuffling have been seen in the various organizations. Yes, Chandra sir, I feel you want to add something.
Yes, sir. Actually, so many students keep on asking about COAP. So let us make it clear to everyone that we are bringing the special session that completely dedicated to that portion. So
Yes,
here
yes.
we are giving you the overall picture of what after GATE examination. So for COP, we will be having a separate session. So there we will solve all your queries. We will solve all your doubts.
Definitely, Kiran, you would get a call, and as Chandra sir have said, now as the just result have come, right now we are just telling you what are the various possibilities you have in your score, and now day by day you will see the session separately on IITs, separately on NITs, separately on your COAP, separately on CCMT, and also I would be taking a session on BITS if you want to go for BITS. If your GATE was not good but you want to do MTech from a good college whose ranking is near to NITs or IITs, you can go for BITS Pilani. For that, different exam is there. So don't worry, guys. For that also, we would be having the session. Every year, we are going to plan such sessions. So this is just to give you a general idea what are the possibilities you are having. Right. So guys, after NIT Surat, we would be having NIT Jaipur. That also have been reshuffled. It was in the bottom before. Then NIT Durgapur, Jalandhar, Bhopal, NIT Nagpur, NIT Hamirpur, NIT Patna, NIT Delhi. Okay, sometimes people are preferring NIT Delhi above the others because of the location also, and also the performance are as it is a new IIT. So you will see soon maybe doing well in the future. So guys, if you are unable to get IIT, unable to get NIT, then what are the options? What are the options?
I want to add one point.
Yes,
somebody
sir, definitely,
asked,
definitely.
Someone actually is who had asked about this IISc Bangalore last date, 22nd March. No,
Yes.
it was for last year. The last date for applying for IISc Bangalore was 22nd March last year. It is not for this year, isn't it, sir?
Yes, sir. Actually, in IISc, they give the last date within 1 week of the result when they are announced. So in general, it is like that. So don't worry, we would be having that also. That information also we would be bringing to you. So let us move further, guys. So guys, so Chandra sir would be answering you in the comment section, the last date of the IISc. So let us see now the sequence of other government engineering college to be filled. So guys, if by chance you are unable to get IITs, you are unable to get NITs, maybe your score is slightly on the poor side, GATE score is less than 450, then you would be worried about what you can get. So dear, there are some universities, and there is one more chance, that one more thing I would like to say, that many people, like someone is living in Delhi, he want a college decently of IIT, NIT rank, then my dear, DTU is a good option. In Chandigarh, when you are talking about PETs there, which was previously PAC, Punjab Engineering College, I feel known for Kalpana Chawla ji also. So there are many other colleges which are also providing you the MTech programs, and they are also good, like DTU Delhi, then College of Engineering Pune, Jadavpur University. It is a famous one. I would like to say it is a very valuable university. If you see GATE 2011, 2012, I feel 2 to 3 years consecutively they have given the GATE toppers also, and that is a very good university. Then PAT University Chandigarh, earlier it was Punjab Engineering College, and then VIT University, that is the private one, that is in Vellore. Okay, then Osmania University Hyderabad, Aligarh Muslim University Aligarh. So these are the other good colleges, and I would like to add one more thing, but that is not that's only for the GATE. If I would add BITS, BITS is taking admission also based on GATE, and also they are taking their own examination. So seats are being divided into 2 categories. If you have given GATE, you want to go to BITS Pilani, one option is there. Other option, you can give the BITS exam and you can go to that, but for that you would not be getting any scholarship if you're going from the BITS exam for the MTech admission. Okay. Yes, Rhythm's rank is very good. So Rhythm would be definitely getting PSU. There are fair chances for that. Nilesh, good evening, dear. I feel Nilesh result is also good. Yes, sir. Would you like to add something?
Yes, sir. I want to add here that even if your objective is to get into PSU, but what I would suggest you guys to take an admission. If you are getting an admission in MTech or in any institute, so better to take an admission to be on the safer side, because the PSU vacancies are very dynamic. Some year there are lesser number of vacancies, some years there are more, and the competition is also tough. You can prepare along with your MTech program also, so that will be a better option rather than dropping again completely and reappearing for the examination. So that is why the session is important to make you understand there are n number of options in front of you. Based on your GATE score, you are having a fair chances of getting a selection in either in IITs, or even if not in IITs, then NITs options are there. And there are so many universities, centrally funded universities, which are taking the admission through GATE score. So that is my point, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, have added a wonderful point. I would like to say, guys, that if you are getting marks in between, you are not getting PSU, then sometimes drop may not be a good idea. Actually, when you are having a drop, you don't know what are the number of vacancies to be there next year from the GATE. And you know, GATE only, whenever you are going for PSU only accept the current GATE score. They don't consider that if you have got a single digit rank some year, they would not be taking you. So dear, the point is, if you want to be on the safer side, it would be better if you go for the admissions into some of the NITs, because when you go to NITs, you get proper time for your preparation. Because when you can prepare during your final year in MTech, obviously the load would be lesser in the first year. Yes, in the second year you have some project works and all, but in first year you have the time. And also once you are giving GATE and you are getting 50-60 marks, then to reach to 80-90, that obviously that much time is not required, because you are already aware with the subjects. You have only some weak portion on which you need to work and you need to revise other subjects. So definitely it is a good idea to prepare along with. Apex is asking NIT Hamirpur or PEC. Dear, I would recommend Punjab Engineering College is better, on the better side if you're talking about. Rest, definitely it would be depending on if you have some branch specific interest, then you may get that branch in NIT Hamirpur and you may not get in Punjab Engineering College. So in that way, you can go for NIT Hamirpur because they don't have that much difference. It is not the difference like IIT and NIT. Okay, they are means more or less on the same side. Yes. Okay, sir. Guys, let us move to the next. So guys, now we are talking about the dream of many students, that is NITI Mumbai. So my dear, first of all, it is the only institute which is going to provide you MBA programs based on the GATE. So in NITI Mumbai, you can get admissions either by CAT or by GATE. Obviously, when you're going with the CAT, it is very difficult because, you know, in CAT, the competition is at different level because everybody is preparing for the same. Here, my dear, as you know, people are more going for the PSUs than IITs. And if you have NITI Mumbai as a dream college, it is a very good way to reach to that. So GATE is a way which is providing you the same thing. And actually, NITI Mumbai is providing the programs like postgraduate diploma in industrial engineering, the oldest course in the NITI Mumbai, then PG diploma in manufacturing management, then PG diploma in the project management. So this is the most preferred one and the oldest course. And my dear, placement record of NITI Mumbai is around 200%, means every student get 2 jobs around. So my dear, if you talk about the packages, they're very, very attractive. NITI Mumbai packages, if you see the previous year's record, the highest package is reaching to 50 or above 50, around 55 lakhs. If you are talking about the average package, it is going around 25 to 28 lakh. Minimum package is approximately 10 to 12 lakhs. So guys, this is the record of placement at NITI Mumbai. It is a dream college for many of the students. And if you are thinking to go for MBA, it is obviously a nice one. So cutoff for NITI Mumbai, dear, don't worry. In the upcoming slide, I would be showing you based on your GATE score, what are the things you would be getting. But for the idea, I would be telling you that I have many students who got rank around 1600, 1700. They got selected in NITI Mumbai because their GATE score is not only thing they are taking. They are taking care of your past record of your academics. Okay, your BTech, your 12th class, 10th class percentages. They're also taking care of GDPI. So my dear, majority portion are going for all those things. That is the reason that in NITI Mumbai, even if your score is around, if your GATE rank is under 1500, then also there are fair chances to go for. Okay. So that is the reason. Yes, I feel Chandra sir would like to add something.
Yes, sir. I want to add here that so many students who are getting very good rank in GATE examination, they prefer NITI Mumbai over other IITs as well as IISc Bangalore even, because of two reasons. One is the highest packages the NITI Mumbai alumni are getting in the industry, plus the NITI Mumbai is giving the management course, that if those who are having the inclination towards management courses, then NITI Mumbai is going to be it is the combination of technical as well as management, both. So that is how you are having a bright career if you are going for NITI Mumbai. Yes.
Yes. So as sir have already added that, yes, NITI Mumbai is going to be a dream college for many students because of that. If their interest is there towards management, here GDPI plays a very important role. So you must be good into that as well. That is one thing. And guys, one more thing is there, that the fees is on the higher side than if you compare it with the IITs and all. Okay, that is also an important point. And guys, benefits are also there. Like 12,500 you would be getting if you are going from the GATE. But CAT aspirant do not get this advantage which you would be getting. And obviously valid GATE score, as they are saying, because there is a weightage given to the GATE. So when you would be applying for this, based on the number of candidates they want to ask for, they would be giving you a call. So there is not a fixed rank or score, I would like to say. But yes, as I told you, there are many students I have who have got their admission in the rank of 1500 around also. Like if I tell you the recent example, last year, one student was having around 1300 rank. He was my student only, and he got their admission there. So dear, it means chances are there, but his GDPI skills were very good. So because here GATE is not having the major weightage, I would be telling you the weightage also. So that is why in poor ranks also, in poor score also, you have the chance to go into. But as I said, previous records also matter here. Yes, sir, would you like to add something?
Yes, actually Abhishek was asking about the scholarship. So I was about to reply over the comment section only. Yes, he was asking about the scholarship. So the MHRD scholarship you will be getting provided you are having a valid GATE score. So it is applicable to all the MTech admissions or MTech courses. For 2 years you will be getting the scholarship, but you will be having the valid GATE score. NITI Mumbai is also giving that scholarship even. Yes.
Okay. So let us see, guys, the criteria, selection criteria. Yes, for NITI Mumbai. So if you see that, guys, these are the things which are going to have the weightages. That is personal interview, group discussion, GATE score, BTech percentage, 12th class, 10th class. So it means your academic record from class 10th, 12th, BTech. And then some weightage is covered by this already, around 20%. Then there is a GATE score weightage, and then there is a weightage for GD and PI. You can see heavy weightage is there for GDPI. So because of that, I said maybe if your rank is 250, you may not get NITI Mumbai, and your rank is 1200, you may get NITI Mumbai. So that is why there is no surety, as you were saying, and as Chandra sir was saying, as I was mentioning. So there is no surety like that. I know those students also who got 150, 200 rank, and they didn't get admission into NITI Mumbai. One of my senior, I remember his rank was around 140 something. So he was having a way. First of all, he wanted to go to PSU. Second, he was thinking for NITI Mumbai. As NITI Mumbai interview came first, he was not selected because his GDPI skills were not good. Finally, he went to the PSU. He joined IOCL. There are many who got 500, 700, 900, 1200, 1700 rank. They got selected because of their GDPI skills. Okay. So there are many things which matters here. Okay.
Yes, sir. One more thing. This relevant work experience also get an upper edge. If somebody is having the kind of experience level, then that
Yes,
also
yes,
becomes
yes,
a criterion.
So sir want to say, if any of you are already in a job, then my dear, when you would be going into the GDPI, actually we are going to take a session over that. That's why I was not much saying on that, but still, if sir have already said, I would like to elaborate it. Like if you are going for some of the interview, and if you are already doing some job, then you need to show the relation, that how you would be a fit candidate for their degree course, for their diploma course. As you are doing some of the job, it should be relatable to their work, and you need to prove that why you are a suitable candidate for them. I feel sir is sir wanted to say that same only.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. So let us move further, guys. So after that, guys, now we are coming to the most important thing, that specialization order for mechanical. That what should be your first choice, guys? So guys, previously at our time, I remember they were saying 3 branches. They were saying the name only. First, go for design. If you don't get that, go for thermal. If you don't get that, go for manufacturing. If you don't have any particular interest, you would be going as per the placement records. As per the placement record, design was at number 1, then thermal, and then manufacturing. So just with the blind eyes, we were going like that only. But nowadays, many people are preferring thermal over design because of their, maybe because of their interest also, and jobs are also good in thermal side also. So guys, this is a preference order. Actually, these are the branches which are most opted by the student, and they are old branches. So their placement records are very, very good. And other branches, I'm not saying they are bad. If you have interest in some of the category, you would definitely be going for that. But if you are mostly going for teaching perspective, MTech for teaching perspective, then generally people are going to these 3 things. But there are emerging fields, like nowadays on material science, good scope is there. As at IIT Roorkee for material science also, it have been seen the placement records are better than the previous ones. So that is the thing. I have already mentioned many branches. So dear, when we're talking about product design and development, that is not available at all IITs or NITs. But yes, at NIT Warangal, this is said to be a topmost branch also. Okay. But as I have written as per the general, like in all IITs, all NITs, the branches are there. According to that perspective, I have given the ratings. But otherwise, obviously, design, thermal, manufacturing, they are the evergreen type of things. And these are some emerging branches where the you can say now the placements are improving, but they are emerging, as I said, in India. Okay, automobile is not there in all the colleges. Computer integrated manufacturing is still available in the form of CAD CAM at many colleges. So where they are not providing design, they are giving CAD CAM also. So there also placement records are, you can say, better than the normal ones. Okay, 63 769 score XC. Dear, actually, in XC under 100 ranks, you are on the safer side. You would be getting the calls for sure. But rest, you need to convert it into interview using your interview. Okay. In interview, your technical would be playing an important role for that. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Actually, IITs and NITs provide 2 type of courses. One is the core courses, which you have already mentioned. There are some courses which are interdisciplinary. So you are still in a position, even if your GATE score is not that great, you are still in a position to get IIT. If your dream is to enter into IIT, then you can opt for those interdisciplinary, like aerospace engineering. There are energy studies courses, robotics, and maintenance engineering, and there are so many other courses other than these core courses.
Yes, so as sir have said, I would like to add something. Aerospace is having relatively higher cutoff. And if you talk about IIT Bombay, operation research is a very famous branch. But there also, once again, the cutoffs are on the higher side. As I was mentioning, one branch in IISc, cloud technology. So these kind of interdisciplinary branches having less cutoffs relatively. Material science also is there as an interdisciplinary, that is also having slightly lesser cutoffs. So guys, don't worry. We are coming along with the individual IITs also, as sir is saying. Sir or I would be presenting individual IITs. Maybe we together would be presenting. So as sir have said, yes, if you have inclination that I need to get admission into IISc only, you can definitely go for an interdisciplinary branch. But you need to see whether you are interested into that or not. Maybe you are not interested in cloud technology. You may be having a tag of IISc, but if you don't have any interest, it would be very difficult to complete 2 years then. So you need to take care of that also. Like many branches, sir have also said, best cake design is asking about placement. Dear, as I said, Operation Research IIT Bombay has excellent placement records. So there are some branches have excellent placement records. So for that is the reason every student want to go and take that. There are some which don't have, like engineering material is a branch at various NIT which anybody can apply. There are some civil engineering branches which mechanical engineer can opt for, like hydrology. I have seen in my college also many students were from mechanical opted for that branch. But I will not recommend those branches if you are looking for teaching. Okay, even those branches are good only if you can do something very dynamic into that, because many companies when they come, they are not selecting you because they are saying the criteria is BTech from that branch which is related to that. But some of the branches like operation research, energy, sir have said, yes, definitely the future are secured. Yes.
And moreover, sir, the workload comparatively, the workload is lesser, so you can do something else parallelly. If your dream is to appear for CAT or appearing for
if you want to
once
again prepare for GATE and engineering services,
yes.
That's sir want to say actually.
Yes.
Is it clear? Let's move on. So guys, I feel we have seen almost all the things. Now we are coming to the most important slide for which you were waiting from a long while. So let us see, according to your score, what are the various opportunities you can have. So my dear, if your score is 900 or more than that, you can go for PSU. Chances of selection into PSU, IISc, IIT, NIT, whatever you would be putting your finger on, the chances that you would be getting for sure, because you have that kind of score. But dear, sometime because of some bad luck or some bad interview, the things may not be as usual. Like if you say you are targeting IOCL, you may not get that, but you may get ONGC. So that kind of thing may occur. I know one of my student, Pankaj, his interview is also available on YouTube. I have taken. His rank was 88. So he did not get IOCL. He got another PSU first. He got in waiting list, and in the, you can say in the waiting list, at the last he got the same PSU once again, then he left the previous one, joined that. So these kind of things happen sometime. But yes, chances are some of the PSU or IISc or IIT, NITs for sure, definitely. If you have that kind of score, why you will go for NIT? You might be thinking, but guys, students sometimes take that. If they are having the same NIT in their city, sometimes they feel, okay, why to go outside? So that's why I have put it that you can go for any of these. If your score is in the range of 800, and obviously I would be adding NIT Mumbai. Okay, I would like to suggest you, if you have a rank under 2000, you shall apply for NIT Mumbai. Okay, and as I said, many examples around 1500 rank, 1600 rank, I have seen got admission there. So if you have a rank under 2000, you must apply for that at least. Okay, so I'm not saying guaranteedly you will be getting, but definitely you shall apply. Okay, 1600 rank, but this time this score is on around 1100 rank. Yes, among the student actually who are giving the GATE in the previous years, like if you are going for MTech, you would be given preference over other student who have given GATE this year. If you and some other student at same rank would be applying, you would be given preference for that. Okay, then my dear, if your score is obviously, I would like to say 700 to 800, you have chances into IITs. When we are talking about your dream choices in new IITs and other branches in older IITs, and you would be getting definitely the old NITs which are at the top most, definitely. At 600 to 700, you would be getting new IIT, not old IIT, and NIT of your choice you can get. Then my dear, 400 to 600 major choices are for NIT and state government colleges. Even I would like to say, if you have 500 to 600, then there are chances that you would be getting a good NIT and a good MTech branch in that. If you are in 400 to 500, then one of the things would be sacrificed, either the college or the branch. Okay. For NIT Mumbai, I separately said if you have more than, sorry, less than 2000 rank, you shall apply. Okay. Under 1500, I have seen many students who qualified based on their GDPI skills. Okay, guys. So if anything else you want to ask, I am ready to take your questions. But these are the general things I have already told you. Dear, actually, whatever I have given you is for ME. For XE, if you are under 100, then the chances are more, because XE is not majorly for the PSUs. It is a branch which is generally giving you only MTech admissions. So my dear, for XE, I would not be saying these things, obviously. For XE, if you have under 100 rank, then there are chances, because the problem is XE is there for some of the IITs. NITs all are not accepting the XE scorecard. If NIT would be accepting, then these things may be true for that. That is the major problem. If you have qualified P&I paper with good ranks, good marks, then there are some chances that you would be getting MTech in IITs, but only in the production branches. Okay. But if you are talking about PSUs, then mechanical is fine. Yes, XE is beneficial if you are thinking of NIT Mumbai also. So for NIT Mumbai, some 2-3 IITs. Okay. And last year, IIT Patna have also announced they would be considering XE score for, I feel, robotics branch. So some of the branches they would be taking. So for those, we would be having a separate sessions, but this is for mechanical majorly. If you want to ask any question, me and Chandra sir are there to answer you guys. So this was the general discussion we have seen. And don't worry, now in the next 8-10 days, we would always be there for the different sessions, for different guidance, for different colleges, NITI, BITS and all. So don't worry, we are always there. BYJU'S exam prep is always there to help you. Yes, Chandra sir.
I want to add one point here. These numbers are for open category. So if you belong to a special category, then you can subtract 50 to 100 score over there.
Yes. Very good. So ये बहुत ही जरूरी point था. Whatever we have said is for general category. If you are from OBC, SC, ST, obviously you would be on slightly more safer side. You can reduce 50 score or 100 score out of that.
Yes. And this time the paper was comparatively tough. So so the slight variation might also be there, cut off.
But sir, I feel that variation would be on positive side only. The reason behind that is, if you see this time, the student who are having 40 to 45 marks, their rank are lying in between 4,000 to 500, which is a very big thing, because last year, if you see at 60 marks, they were getting, means marks were too much fluctuates this time. So this would be on the positive side, I feel so. That definitely, because the this year, the student who have prepared well, they got a good rank actually. Previously, like the questions were very simple, like Britten cycle efficiency they are asking, auto cycle efficiency they are asking. So even if a student have prepared in the college, he would be taking that. Yes. Sir, there are some questions. If we take those questions from the comment sections, one by one. Akhil, if you have 1525 rank, there are less chances the top branch in NIT, but yes, you shall apply for that. Okay. So you would be getting in the top 4 NITs for sure, but exactly NIT Trichy you may not get, because generally 700 crores is there the cutoff. Gate mechanical score 575, 48 marks, 3196. You would be getting NIT core branch for sure. Okay. You shall apply for NIT Kurukshetra, NIT Bhopal, NIT Jaipur, NIT Jamshedpur, Jodhpur, so Jamshedpur and Hamirpur. Yes. XC 456 gate score. Dear XC 456 rank, I don't think you would be getting something from that. Manoj 546 score, 705 OBC. Dear, you didn't mention what you are looking for. Okay, CSC. Dear, for CSC separate session would be there. Yes, sir. Would you like to answer some of the questions?
Yes, sir. couple of students were asking about MS or MTech. Definitely MTech is more preferred than going for MS. If you are getting MTech in the core branches, then definitely you should prefer that.
Sir,
The core
if you are
specialization.
thinking for some particular IIT, then the cutoffs are lesser for MS. Cutoff are lesser for MS courses, and in India the scope is more for technical technology MTech courses like that, and in other, yes, you know that science courses are more popular in the other countries. So here obviously MTech is more preferred, but MS is a good one, not a bad one. सर CSC के बहुत पूछ रहे हैं.
CSC का वो नहीं हुआ ना, सेशन नहीं हुआ, तो
okay.
हमें रिक्वेस्ट करनी होगी.
Yes, for CSC session would be there, don't worry. 795 score, 287 rank, OBC. Dear, you would definitely get a chance. Okay, definitely you would get a call, Jay Prakash. You need to prepare for GDPI if you're looking for NIT Mumbai. Okay. 762 score, 467 rank. Yes, there are fair chances. Up to 500, 600 rank for older IITs, topmost branches, fair chances are there. Okay. And if you're talking of up to 1000 rank, then my dear, interview would be deciding factor. Okay. I would be liking writing some of the things. If you have 1 to 200 or 250 rank, more chances are there for PSU for sure. Okay. That is a confirmed type of thing you can say. After that, if you're talking about up to 500 or 600, so you would be getting either PSU or IIT, topmost branches. Up to 1000, then you would be getting IITs, branches maybe, that depends on your interview skills. If you are getting up to 1500, I would say new IITs or old IIT material science type of branches or old NITs you would be getting for sure. Okay, then up to 3000 or up to 4500 you would be getting NIT, and the branches would be of your choice, but NIT may vary, because if you want thermal, you may get in 4000 rank also, but not in NIT of the like NIT Bhopal you may not get, but NIT Jalandhar you will get. So like that. 1354 rank, 673 score, ME. Dear, you shall go for newer IITs, top branches or old NITs. In old IITs, you can go for the branches other than thermal design, but you shall try. If your interview would be good, you may get that as well. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chandra, sir, there are some questions.
Yes, actually, we need to take a separate session for discussing these things, because everybody is curious to know what all, according to their rank, what exactly they will be getting. There are multiple options actually.
Kalpesh, I would like to say you shall go for IIT MTech production branches. You may get that, and you shall also try for NIT Mumbai. Sir, preferred courses in IISc. Sir, ये question आपके लिए है specially. Preferred courses in IISc for mechanical.
MTech, the preferred course is MTech only. There are 3 courses which IISc Bangalore provides: MTech and research and the PhD. So definitely people prefer to go for MTech only.
Fine, fine. So 3000 के पास अगर आपका रैंक है बेस्ट केक डिजाइन, you would be getting some NIT thermal design for sure. Okay, कोई NIT आपको जरूर मिलेगी. आप NIT भोपाल के लिए ट्राई कर सकते हैं, कुरुक्षेत्र के लिए ट्राई कर सकते हैं. इलाहाबाद में मुश्किल है. ठीक है, तो मेरे ख्याल से सेशन अब यहीं पर स्टॉप करते हैं. So guys, we would be having separate sessions for the counseling of COAP as well as CCMT and also BITS Pilani and other colleges, and there would be some sessions for rank wise also we would be having. Okay, 325 रैंक अगर आपका है भाई, डेफिनेटली पीएसयू में चांस है. मैंने अभी बोला निसर्ग 500 रैंक तक चांस है आपके, बट चांसेस में इंटरव्यू डेफिनेटली एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा. ठीक है, चलिए. तो गाइस, फॉर दैट ऑलरेडी बेस्ट केक डिजाइन आपको मैंने कहा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए, आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता रहेगा. ओके गाइस, सो डियर, देखो दोनों ही चीजें मैटर करती है। रैंक आपका स्कोर के हिसाब से ही आता है, ठीक है, बट यस दैट डिपेंड्स कि मैं आपको कैसे बताऊं। तो मैंने आपको रैंक के हिसाब से भी आइडिया दे दिया, स्कोर के हिसाब से भी आइडिया दे दिया। बिकॉज रैंक के हिसाब से आइडिया हम नंबर ऑफ सीट्स के हिसाब से लगाते हैं कि जितनी सीट्स है, अगर मैं एक एक बंदे को एक एक सीट देता चलूं, सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट द आइडिया इज जनरली। चलिए, सो गुड बाय गाइस फॉर दिस सेशन, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। मिलेंगे अगले सेशन में जल्दी ही। गुड बाय।
Thank you everyone. Stay tuned for next such updates. ठीक है, all the very best to everyone.